Hi, I'm Aaron from 2H Media. In this short video, we're going to answer the question, how much does a website cost? First, it's important to understand what goes into developing a website. Depending on your business needs, the process can involve a number of different steps. Typically, you're going to need to purchase a domain name, find really good web hosting, select and set up a content management system, design the overall look and structure of your website, build out your web pages, fill those with awesome content, and finally launch your website. If you're launching an e-commerce website, you're also going to need to come up with a shipping strategy, figure out your shipping rates, figure out what product data is important to your customers, come up with a plan for how to display all of that on your product pages, and then enter all of that information into your content management system. As you can imagine, with a process this complex, the costs can get out of control in a hurry. So how much does creating a website actually cost? Well, the answer is that it depends on a lot of factors, including the size and complexity of the website, your specific business needs, the number of people involved in the project, and the number of resources you have available. And I'm not just talking about dollars to throw at a developer, I'm also talking about images, videos, copywriting, all of the content that's going to fill out your website and make it resonate with your audience. At 2H Media, we have a ton of experience building websites, everything from small business websites to e-commerce sites that do millions of dollars a year in sales. Most of the websites we develop fall somewhere between $10,000 and $30,000, depending on your business needs. The cost of developing a website can really vary depending on your specific goals. For example, a website that's designed to appeal to customers might require very different features and functionality compared to a website that's designed to appeal to investors. If you're interested in learning more about building high-impact websites that solve real business problems, I encourage you to book a strategy call with one of our experts. We'll take the time to get to know your business, develop a plan that's right for you, and answer your burning questions so that you can move forward with clarity and confidence. If that sounds impactful, then book a strategy session. And in the meantime, thanks for watching.